Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about leopard gecko and problems, what you can have in the future with them. This is my male leopard gecko, Morph Raptor. He is around 3.5 years, he has 100 grams, is slightly overweight, and a good example how you can see that is two bubbles from both sides. They may contain fat, protein, calcium, vitamins, and other minerals. You need to avoid these bubbles because they are not good for them and may cause the appearance of fat on their organs, which can lead to their death. Be sure to avoid it with right diet, which include quantity, frequencies, and type of food if you want to have a healthy geckos. Another problem which you can have with male gecko is their closed pores. These are femoral pores. Normally they should look small without any red zone. If you see any inflammation or hard parts, this is a sign of closed pores. To avoid this problem, give a bath to your gecko once a week in warm water around 30 degrees Celsius for 10-20 minutes. My gecko already had this problem when I bought him, and I will show you how to clean it. First, soak your gecko in warm water for 10-20 minutes and prepare few cotton boots. Take your gecko in the hands and gently rub the pores from upside down. If the pores are too hard, you can squeeze them very gently, but don't press it too hard. When you finish everything, you have to disinfect it with iodine solution, which was mixed 1 part of iodine and 2 parts of water. You have to repeat that every day until all pores will be closed. If you don't have any iodine solution and you are not sure in your movements, it's better to bring it to vet clinic. They know how to do it and how to clean it. This is how pores were when I bought him. And here is how they look now after few cleanings.